Hi, today I want to talk to you about how to incorporate mantras into your daily life. So, first, what is a mantra? A mantra is a short sentence, usually simple, that states something that you want to remember and tell yourself and create a positive sort of aura within you and without. Um, we all know that happiness and joy and love and light start from the inside and come out into the world. So it's something that you can focus on inwardly so that you can thrive and live your best life outwardly. So let me give you an example. When I started doing yoga classes, one of my yoga instructors gave us the mantra, I am perfect, whole, and complete. I am perfect, whole, and complete. In the past, I've worked with lots of mantras. I usually always have a mantra that I'm practicing and saying to myself and reminding myself of through different seasons of my life. My current one is I am a source of light and love for the world, remembering that I can give to the world despite my challenges and obstacles and health. I can still find ways to share light with other people. Um, so the first thing is to write a mantra, and the mantra is very personal. Usually it's something that you want to manifest in your life. So maybe you want to feel more confident. And so your mantra could be, I am confident. And by saying that, you start to kind of manifest that confidence in your world. Now, after you have the mantra, I have three ways that you can incorporate it into your daily life. The first, my favorite, is putting it on a post-it. The nice thing about a post-it is that you can post it somewhere. So if you need to, you can post it on yourself if that really helps you. Optimal places for post-its include your mirror, somewhere near your bed or a place that you rest, on your kitchen cabinet above where you wash dishes, maybe on the back of your sparkly cell phone case. Um, Posting it somewhere you'll see it often, and when you see it, you stop and you say it to yourself. That's my first tip. The second one is passwords. We have to make these passwords every few months. We have to come up with a new password. I always make my passwords mantra related. So I try to have something to do with whatever my intention, my manifestation is that I'm working on. I make my password related to that. And then as I'm typing in my password, I have that moment of stillness of sort of breathing life into my intention and my affirmation another time. Okay, and then the third tip is using your mirror. If you have never done this before, you have to try it. You get a mirror, you look yourself right in the eyes, and you repeat your mantra to yourself. This is something that can feel very strange at first and also can be emotional to look yourself in the eyes. I've actually started teaching my daughter how to do this. So after her bath every night, we look in the mirror and we both do it. So I look in my eyes, she looks in her eyes, and I do check. She is looking in her eyes. And we say, you can say these with me if you want. We say, I am beautiful. I am smart. I am strong. I am brave. And I can do anything. And then we say, I love you. Good night. So give these a try, come up with a mantra, and find a way to make it a part of your everyday life. Be well, everyone.